What if I told you that to make profit is to first learn to lose? Today, I am going to reveal a trading technique used by this 25-year-old legendary trader to turn $25,000 to $2 million. He did it within 1 year and a half, and he talked about it in his book, How He Made $2 Million in the Stock Market. He had zero experience and zero knowledge in stock market, yet his unique buy-sell signals investing approach managed to earn him a fortune in stock market. One day, he was reading a financial magazine and came across stock market. He tried to buy few shares, stock went up and he made a profit. This led him to spend up to 8 hours a day to read books about investment. In total, he had read about 200 books. He combined a momentum and volume indicator to develop his strategy while off touring as a professional dancer. He mentioned that admitting mistake and getting out the trade fast is the key to success in stock market. You just need to be right 51% of the time to make big money in the stock market. However, always taking profits is another key towards getting wealthy. The trader we are discussing about is Nicholas Darvas. This easy and free to use buy and sell TradingView indicator for trading and scalping is going to improve your performance. Darvas had said that the strategy can be used in any timeframes and in stock market. However, can a strategy be applied in forex and crypto scalping since crypto did not exist in his time? Welcome back to another Future Way video.
For this strategy, I'll be using 3 free TradingView indicators. This is the chart of Ethereum USDT and on the 5-minute chart. Do note that this strategy can be used on other time frames such as 3-minute, 15-minute and 30-minute. The method best used for stock, crypto and forex. Before we start, do note that this green line is the previous swing high and this yellow line is the previous swing low. There are 3 conditions to be met for this buy signal. First of all, the candle needs to close green and above this green line to indicate a small breakout. Secondly, the price needs to close above this green dotted line to indicate we are on an uptrend. The third condition is that this volume histogram, the candle needs to be dark to indicate a strong buying volume, and it needs to close above this explosion and red line. So I'll be taking a buy when 3 conditions are met at this candle or this candle, with a stop loss below the box, or if the box is too big, we set the stop loss below the previous swing low. And where should we target? We should be targeting 1:1 to 2, but we need to secure profit when it hit 1:1 because this is one of the Darvas Box strategy. For sell signal, there are 3 conditions need to be met. First of all, the candle needs to be red and close below the yellow line to indicate a small breakout. Secondly, the price needs to close below the red dotted line to indicate we are on a downtrend. Thirdly, for the volume histogram, it needs to have a dark red candle and close above the dead and explosion line. So I can either take a short here or here. If I take a short here, I will set my stop loss slightly above the previous candle above the yellow line, and my target is 1:2. But in Nicholas Darvas, his strategy says that always take profit. So we'll be taking profit 50% when it reach 1:1 target. Now let me show you the indicators and what to tune. On the indicator tab, search for Darvas Box by Kiwan obligate, this one. And the second indicator is to add the Coral trend indicator by Lazyback. The third indicator is Wada Atta Explosion by Cheyenne KM. On the Darvas Box, the input is default, but for the style, change this one to yellow. The second one is the Coral trend. Switch off these two and change this color to light green. For the input, they are default. For Wada Explosion, go to inputs. These are all defaults. We only change the style. For the explosion line, change it to purple and make the opacity 100%. For this one, change it to white. For the deadline zone, change it to white. Okay, and make the opacity to 100%. And change this from cross to line.
Let's backtest the strategy 51 trades. The win rate is 90%. More scalping video, check this out.